John Pombe Magufuli, born on 29th October 1959, died on 17th March 2021, was a Tanzanian politician who served as the 5th President of Tanzania from 2015 until his death in 2021. He served as Minister of Works, Transport and Communication from 2000 to 2005 and 2010 to 2015, and was the chairman of the Southern African Development Community from 2019 to 2020. He was first elected as a Member of Parliament in 1995 and served in the Cabinet of Tanzania as a Deputy Minister of Works from 1995 to 2000, and also Minister of Works from 2000 to 2006, Minister of Lands and Human Settlement from 2006 to 2008, Minister of Livestock and Fisheries from 2008 to 2010, and Minister of Works as second time from 2010 to 2015. Running as the candidate for the ruling party in Tanzania, CCM, he won the October 2015 presidential election and sworn in on 5th November 2015. Magufuli ran on a platform of reducing government corruption and spending while also investing in Tanzania's industries, but he has been accused of having increasing autocratic tendencies brought on by restrictions on freedom of speech and crackdown on members of the political opposition. Magufuli started his education at the Chato Primary School from 1967 to 1974 and went on to the Katoki Seminary Biharamulo for his secondary education from 1975 to 1977 before relocating to Lake Secondary School in 1977 and graduating in 1978. He joined Nkwawa High School for his advanced level studies in 1979 and graduated in 1981. The same year, he joined Nkwawa College of Education, a constituent college of the University of Dar es Salaam, for a diploma in education and science, majoring in chemistry, mathematics, and education. Magufuli earned his Bachelor's of Science in Education degree, majoring in chemistry and mathematics as teaching subjects from the University of Dar es Salaam in 1988. He also earned his Master's and Doctorate degrees in chemistry from the University of Dar es Salaam in 1994 and 2009 respectively. In the late 2019, he was awarded an honorary doctorate by the University of Dodoma for improving the economy of the country. John Joseph Magufuli ventured into elective politics after a short period of it as a teacher at the Segerema Secondary School between 1982 and 1983. He taught chemistry and mathematics. Later on, he quit his teaching job and was employed by the Nyanza Cooperative Union Limited as an industrial chemist. He remained there from 1989 to 1995 when he was elected as the Member of Parliament representing Chato District. He was appointed Deputy Minister for Works in his first term as MP. He retained his seat in 2000 election and promoted to a full ministerial position under the same docket. After President Jakaya Mrisho Kikwete was requested to take office, he moved John Joseph Magufuli to the post of Minister of Lands and Human Settlement on 4th January 2006. Subsequently, he served as the Minister of Livestock and Fisheries from 2008 to 2010 and again as Minister of Works from 2010 to 2015. After taking office, Magufuli immediately began to impose measures to curb government spending, such as barring unnecessary foreign travel by government officials, using cheaper vehicles and boardrooms for transport and meetings respectively, shrinking the delegation for a tour of Commonwealth from 50 people to 4, dropping the sponsorship of a World AIDS Day exhibition in favor of purchasing AIDS medication, and discouraging lavish events and parties by public institutions, such as cutting the budget of state dinner inaugurating the new parliament session. Magufuli reduced his own salary from $15,000 to $4,000 per month. During the COVID-19 pandemic, Magufuli said vaccinations are dangerous. If white people are able to come up with vaccinations, a vaccination for AIDS would have been found, Magufuli claimed in January 2021 speech. Magufuli, when questioned about closing churches during the COVID-19 pandemic in Tanzania, he stated, "That's where there is true healing. Corona is the devil and cannot survive in the body of Jesus." Magufuli and Dar es Salaam Regional Commissioner Paul Makonda announced that the disease had been defeated by the national prayer and called for a public celebration. The corona disease has been eliminated thanks to God, Magufuli told the church congregation in Dodoma, the country's capital. The World Health Organization has queried the government's approach to COVID-19. By June 2020, the government had not published data on the coronavirus since late April. Magufuli, he was married to Janeth Magufuli, a primary school teacher, and had 3 children together. A Kenyan newspaper reported on 10th March 2021 that an African leader was being treated for COVID-19 at a hospital in Nairobi, leading to speculation that it could be President Magufuli, who had not been seen in public since February. On the night of 17th March 2021, Tanzanian Vice President Samia Suluhu announced Magufuli's death and attributed it to heart problems.
Ya dola za Kimarekani bilioni 1.7 na wamecreate employment kwa Watanzania zaidi ya Watanzania 56,200.